Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games in Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. To do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Right here we should be able to find the games, but you will see that there's a problem. So let's go for Call of Duty Mobile. So here's the icon. If we tap on it, nothing happens. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, open the settings and enter family, then select parental controls. Now you can either disable them entirely or go for apps and games. Enter the PIN code. Here increase PG to 16 or 18 and make sure to save those settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the game again, it should be available on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.